At the Air Force Academy are building a new system to help those confined to a wheelchair.
The goal behind this technology is to help those who have mobility-related disabilities become more independent. KRDO 13's Andrea Herrera is live in studio to share this absolutely Colorado story. Andrea?
This new gaze-assisted wheelchair is a combination of a 5-year effort from the Air Force Academy students. It's an effort that started back in 2020 and will soon be shared. This gaze-assisted wheelchair aims to move in the direction you are looking. Based on where you are looking, it should be as easy as looking towards the direction you want to go, and the wheelchair will follow. The new piece of machinery is currently being worked on by 5 Air Force cadets.
What we challenged these students with and the groups that have preceded them is to create a gaze or an eye gaze interface for a mobility device. In this case, they're using a wheelchair, a highly sophisticated wheelchair, but what we're trying to do is control the wheelchair only with using their eyesight and voice command.
Brian J. Neff is the project mentor. He says the purpose behind this type of work is to allow students to be a part of something bigger.
We're going to be able to take it into crowds, outside, downtown, like different light environments, different terrains, that kind of stuff.
Cade Isley is one of the 5 cadets working on the gaze-assisted wheelchair. His reason for being a part of this project is extra special.
My little cousin has a rare mitochondria disease, so when she was born, doctor said she wasn't going to be able to move around, talk at all, but she had too much to say. She goes to high school now. She uses a walker.
This would be a big help for her and many others. Once it's all done, the users will be able to get on the wheelchair, put on these ski-like goggles, which are made up of hollow lens tube, and they'll be able to control the software with only their eyesight.
As they move where their gaze is focused or where their eyes are focused, they're controlling the interface for that device as well.
Before graduation, the 5 cadets will present this prototype, and from there they'll see if any updates are needed to move forward with the process of getting it on the market. Reporting in studio, Andrea Herrera, KRDO 13.
Absolutely Colorado is a partnership in your community between KRDO and Gold Hill Mesa.